Next one, find the maxima and minima. Find the maxima and minima of the function f of x comma y comma z equal to xy into 6 minus x minus y. Solution. So what is the given function? The given function is f of x comma y comma z equal to xy into 6 minus x minus y. So then 6xy minus x square y minus xy square. So then now partial differentiating with respect to x. Now partially differentiating with respect to x. So then dou f by dou x equal to dou by dou x of 6xy minus x square y minus xy square. So then 6y into the derivation of x is 1 minus y into derivation of x square 2x minus y square into 1. So then 6y minus 2xy minus y square. So this is the dou f by dou x. So now differentiating with respect to y. Now differentiating with respect to y. So then dou f by dou y equal to dou by dou y of 6xy minus x square y minus xy square. So then which implies 6x into 1 minus x square into 1 minus x into 2y. Then 6x minus x square minus 2xy. So this is the value, and then again differentiating with respect to x. Again differentiating with respect to x. So then dou square f by dou x square equal to r. So which equal to fx, which implies minus 2y. So and then again differentiating with respect to x to the function fy. So then dou square f by dou x dou y equal to dou by dou x of what is the given function 6x minus x square minus 2xy. So then 6 minus 2x minus 2y. 6 minus 2x minus 2y. So this is the value of the say. So and then again differentiating with respect to y. So then dou square f by dou y square equal to dou by dou y of 6x minus x square minus 2xy. So when here 0, here also 0, minus 2x into 1, which implies minus 2x. Therefore dou square f by dou y square equal to minus 2x. And now the condition for the f of x comma y is to be maxima and minima. Therefore the condition for the maximum and minimum is fx equal to 0 and fy equal to 0. So for fx equal to 0, then 6y minus 2xy minus y square equal to 0. So then when 6 minus 2x minus y into y equal to 0. So then 2x plus y equal to 6. And then for the next value fy equal to 0. So what is the function of y? 6y minus 2xy minus y square equal to 0. Then 6x for fy. So 6x minus x square minus 2xy equal to 0. So here in that let us take 6 minus x minus 2y equal to 0. When we are taking the common is x. Then which implies x plus 2y equal to 6. So here by solving of those two equations, so then x equal to 2 and y equal to 2. So now we have to check whether rt minus s square value. Now check rt minus s square equal to minus 2y into minus 2x minus of 6 minus 2x minus 2y whole square. Then 4xy minus of 36 plus 4x square plus 4y square minus 24x plus 8xy minus 24y. So then which implies minus 4x square minus 4y square plus 24x plus 24y minus 4xy minus 36. So at the value is 2. At rt minus s square, the point is, so what is the point? 2, 2. So then which implies, now we have to substitute in the above equation, minus 4 into 4 minus 4 into 4 plus here 48. So here 48 minus 16 minus 32. So then which implies 96 minus 80. When we are simplification of that one, the value will become 16. So then therefore rt minus s square equal to 16. So it means rt minus s square value which is greater than 0. So and then r equal to also r small r equal to minus 2y. So minus 2 into value of y is 2. So minus 4 which is less than 0. And therefore rt minus s square, so which is rt minus s square greater than 0, comma r less than 0. Next, now rt minus s square which is greater than 0, comma small r which is less than 0 at the point 2, 2. Therefore the function has maximum value. Therefore f of x comma y comma z equal to 6xy minus x square y minus xy square. Therefore which equal to 6 into 4 minus 8 minus 8. So then which implies 8. Therefore the function f of x comma y comma z has maximum value at 2, 2 and the maximum value is 8. Therefore hence the solution.